Alright, you the same one, bitch ass nigga. You the same one with Carmen. Now I wanna push your bitch ass out.
Be quiet.
Now
We're just trying to figure out.
Now I knock your bitch ass out. You always want to. Man, get the fuck up.
Be quiet.
Man, why I fucked you up?
Leo, I've never talked
Man,
to you before.
I didn't fuck you know my name. Shut the
just
fuck
told-
up.
I have
Man, you got my shit on there.
Champaign, Illinois, February 15th. Liang Chenling Arshawu, a man who refused to leave in the moment that changed everything. Officers responded to a domestic disturbance call. A 40-year-old man asked to leave his girlfriend's apartment, refused. When police arrived, he was in handcuffs, not under arrest, detained. There is a legal difference, and it mattered. Detention without arrest means officers are still gathering information. The subject has not been charged. He still has a way out. Officers told him 4 separate times, "You are not going to jail. Put your clothes on and walk out the door." Unexpectedly.
Around. Just because you're in handcuffs does not mean you're getting arrested. It just means you're being detained. Because you keep moving around, you keep advancing towards me. We're trying to figure out what's going on.
Man, I don't know. I don't know.
There's 2 sides to every story, man.
Alright, man. Can I go to jail?
You're not going to jail. You're just being detained until we figure stuff out. He kept on digging in his pocket. Make sure he's got no guns or anything.
Man,
Just his wallet.
Money, man.
Alright, well, we're gonna make sure.
Man, open the door. Hey, Tina!
Stop
Tina!
it! Enough!
Tina!
What is
Man,
going on?
man, stop letting man open this door, man.
What is going on? You don't want to tell us anything?
Am I going to jail?
No,
Yeah,
you're
man,
not.
you-
You're
I-
just detained because you keep walking around. You keep approaching us. You keep digging your hands in your pockets.
I ain't got no pocket. You gotta be locked up,
What do
man.
you mean? You have pockets right here. All right. Sit right here. He doesn't want to tell us. Sit right here.
I ain't.
We're going to wait
Man,
for my
you already
partner.
know. Hey, you serve with a female.
We're going to wait for my partner. We're going to see what my partner's going to stick with you.
Am
And
I
then
locked?
I'm going to talk to him. What's your name?
Hey, you already know what domestic.
I don't know what your name is. I've never dealt with you. This is my first time talking to you.
Bust my window
I don't know who you are. I wasn't here, man.
in my house.
I don't know who that is. I don't know who you are, dude. I've never talked with you at all.
All right, 10-4. What I supposed to do?
Dude, nobody's in trouble right now, okay?
Is this your wallet
We're
here?
trying to figure out what your name is.
That's it, man. That's
Okay,
it.
that's
I got
all I
hundred. I got hundreds in there, man.
Okay.
Where she at?
She's outside.
All right, open the door. Man, all right, man.
Sit down.
All right, you the same one, bitch ass nigga. You the same one with Carmen. Now I wanna
Lincoln
push your
Everett
bitch
Ocean.
ass out.
Be quiet.
Man,
We're just trying to figure out
Man, I
what's
knock your bitch ass out. You always want to.
quiet.
Man, get the fuck up.
Be quiet.
Man, why I fuck you up?
Dude, Leo, I've never talked
Man,
to you before.
I didn't fuck you know my name. Shut the
just
fuck
told-
up.
I have
Man, you got my shit on there.
Quiet.
Bitch ass nigga. You, Asian faggot.
Tina,
Man, I
be
can't wait.
quiet.
I can't wait. Man, get your bitch ass on with Carmen. Faggot. Man, all right, my name Leo.
Watch out for her. Make sure she's not here.
Man, get the fuck
Do you
on.
live here, Leo?
Nah. Man, get the fuck on. Do you stay here?
Go ahead.
Right. Just his pants, there's nothing else.
Yeah.
Socks, shoes. Where's his shirt?
He hasn't done anything. He's right there.
Where?
Okay.
Is there anything else that belongs to him? That's it? Nothing else belongs to him?
Yeah.
Okay.
He hasn't done anything. He just is
Oh, what's your problem?
I'm asking you if you have a
Man,
coat
get the
in
fuck
here.
on, nigga.
Okay.
I ain't got no coat.
Sit down.
All right, man. Damn.
Sit
Man, you
down.
a bitch.
Do not get up again.
All right, man. I'll beat your bitch ass.
Stop.
All she wants is you out of here.
Man,
Then
fuck
we're
you.
out of here. Then we're
Hey, you already up, man. Watch your hand. All right.
Stop.
I'm gonna whoop one of it.
Hey, right now you've got the option to leave. If you don't do that, you're
How
about
I'm
to
gonna
go to-
leave?
You're
Be
about
out
to go
my
to
back.
jail for
Man,
disorderly.
fuck you. All right.
Okay, listen.
Hey, Gretchen.
Hey.
I am.
Okay.
I'm super aggressive.
Put your hands on me and your shirt.
What's up?
Can I help you? Or no?
Hang on here for a second. What's that?
Just move. He's not telling me much. So
Yeah.
he doesn't-
Nothing happened. She just wants him gone.
Okay.
He doesn't have any kind of residency or anything. He's got the clothes on his back, and that's it. So.
Okay.
Stop. Go. Stuff your ass out.
Hey, Leo, where do you want to go? She doesn't want you here. I could take you. Where do you want to go?
You ain't take me nowhere.
You want to leave? You want to leave? You want to leave?
All you have to do is put your clothes on.
And leave. That's all you got to do, man. But you keep getting like
I'm
this.
gonna beat your ass again.
You want to stop me out? You want to fight? Why? Stop.
You're gonna beat her ass again? As in you've already done that before? When was that?
He did not do that.
They said beat my ass again.
You.
Okay.
I'm gonna stop your ass out. You.
Okay.
Can you stop?
Where do you want to go?
I'm gonna catch you again.
Can you
We're coming.
stop?
We're coming. I'm gonna catch your ass again.
Okay.
Can you put your clothes on, please?
Go ahead. You got me locked up.
Here.
Where do you want to go?
Again.
Here.
All right, come and
Can I put
gone.
a shirt on for you?
Come and gone.
Let's walk him out.
Yeah.
And then he can get dressed up.
Where's the shoes at?
By the door.
Here you go again. What's the badge number here?
769.
I can't wait to catch your ass.
So,
Alright.
I grapple, I fight, and I know how to
Nah,
shoot.
beat your ass.
So I
Let me out there.
pick your poison, dude.
Alright, let me out.
Let's go.
I'm gonna beat you.
Let's go.
See ya.
Let's go.
Man, here you go again.
Officer Jackson, do you mind grabbing the shoe?
Hey, you gonna fucking stop me out?
Is this his? Is this his, man?
This is cool.
Okay. You want me to take that with me?
Yeah, this is cool.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
He responded with racial slurs, threats, and explicit promises to retaliate against the officers later. They absorbed it. They kept offering the exit. That restraint was not weakness. It was procedure. Under Graham versus Connor, Patru sute noozeci, and sebs, sembai bashaliu. Officer conduct is evaluated on facts known at the moment of the decision, not in hindsight. Every de-escalation attempt here was documented, on camera, by the officers themselves. That documentation matters in court. Officers then made a decision: remove the handcuffs, hand him his clothes and wallet, and allow him to dress and leave. The door was open. What they could not have anticipated, what no reasonable officer would have anticipated, was what he did with that moment of trust. He struck an officer, unprovoked, mid-process, while being extended every courtesy available under law.
Hey, just grab his wallet. His wallet was on the couch.
Yeah, I've got it.
Hey, you understand me, Leo? We're gonna let you out of handcuffs. Listen, look at me.
Look it off the
Leo,
Look at him, man.
we're gonna let you out of handcuffs. You're gonna get dressed and you're gonna leave. Do you understand that? Do you understand that?
The other option is jail, dude. We don't want to
Man,
take
I don't give a fuck about it, man, let me out. I ain't going to jail.
Is there a place that you would like to go?
Man, I gotta.
You gonna walk home? Place on top of your head. Yes, you are.
Put that on. That's what I'm saying. Yeah. Every time I catch him, man, I can't wait.
Leo, I've got your clothes and your jacket right here, okay?
Go ahead and keep your stuff on.
Your wallet's right there too, okay?
Hey. Go ahead. It's okay if I can do it.
Yeah, you can put your stuff on, that's fine.
Can I put my shirt on?
You may, yes, sir.
You, I can't wait to catch up with you.
Alright.
You, every time you always.
Dude, I've never met you. This is
Hey, shut the fuck up, man.
Okay,
Bitch ass
get your
nigga.
clothes on. Let's go.
Man, alright, what you want to send me to jail? Fuck jail.
Hey, Leo, let's get dressed, okay? I don't want to see you getting hemmed up for no reason, okay?
I only want.
You don't want that?
No.
Okay. I'll give it back to you in a second. You just set it down for now.
I only want you to touch me. You send me to jail again.
Alright. Let's get your stuff on. It's cold outside.
It's okay.
Yep. You can put your stuff on.
Peace. Try to get some socks.
You got socks right there.
Alright, put it on me then.
I'm not putting it on.
Man, alright.
Okay.
Now you're going to jail. Now I bet you put it in. Ain't no wrong with it.
Leo, you messed up, my guy. You got
Ain't no wrong with it.
You just battered me.
I'm gonna get my spot. You guys good?
Not gonna fuck me for one.
Take. Calm down. Nah, you call the police. I ain't got no shoes.
Your shoes are like that. Just calm down.
Let's go.
Where the car at?
Check the jacket.
Yeah, damn. I ain't never been over here, man. Oh, I can't wait to catch your ass again.
You keep trying it, man. You think that's gonna turn out well for you?
Man, what time is going on, man? Yeah, damn. Every time I see him. What's your name?
Leo, I've never talked to you.
Man, goddamn, why you want my ass time?
Lean back.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
That's probably Officer Lee, man. That's not me.
You got everything out of there?
Yeah, I got it for
He ain't going to jail, is he?
Yeah, he is now.
Why?
For battering a police officer.
That single act transformed the entire incident. Under Illinois Statute 720 ILCS 5/12-3, Lin Wu. Subdivision D. Paragraph 4. Battering a peace officer during the performance of official duties is not a simple battery charge. It is aggravated battery. Class 2 felony. 3 to 7 years imprisonment per count. He was not arrested for the domestic disturbance. He was not arrested for the verbal threats. He billed his own felony charge in the final 60 seconds of that encounter. Leo was charged with aggravated battery on a peace officer. The footage ran the entire time. Grades: the officers get an A. Sustained verbal abuse. Racial slurs. Explicit threats. They offered him the door 4 times. They documented every step. Under Graham versus Connor. Every decision made here holds up. The handcuff removal was reasonable. The force, when required, was appropriate. Nothing to criticize. Leo gets an F. Officers handed him his exit. He handed them a felony charge instead. Illinois law does not reduce a charge because an officer was being patient. The statute does not have a cooperation discount at the point of battery. The lesson here is straightforward. When officers tell you that you are free to leave, leave. Verbal escalation has no legal upside. Physical escalation creates a felony record. The right to remain silent exists. The right to walk out that open door also existed. He exercised neither. If you want more body cam footage, the moments suspects don't expect to end up on camera, hit subscribe. We post every week. Drop a comment. What sentence do you think he deserves?
So, yeah, he could have just walked away. He decided to batter an officer, so he's going to jail now for that.
I don't.
And doesn't leave immediately, he can be arrested for that too. I'm concerned about you. That's why I'm pushing this, okay? I'm concerned about you. I don't want you to get hurt. Alright? But like I said, you're a grown woman, and that's a choice that you need to make. He made his choice, and now you need to make your choice about how you're going to prevent this from happening in the future.
Well, hopefully, hopefully he won't hurt me.
Well, you can hope.
But
How far has hope gotten you in this life? Not far.
but he didn't go to jail because of me.
He what?
He didn't go to jail because of me.
No.
He did it because of him.
Exactly.
I was just trying to get him out.
I understand that.
Cause it's alright. Like,
I'm advising you to get an order of protection. To do that, you need to call the Champaign County Sheriff's Department on Monday morning and tell them that you need an order of protection, and then they'll help walk you through the process. Okay?
he's a good person. He really is.
10-4, thank you.
He's a good person.
All right, so this is the county sheriff's department number. On Monday morning at 8 is when they open. You can call them. Okay. This over here is the file number for the.
Then something happens to me, then like, what happens to me?
If something happens to you, what do you mean?
Nothing can happen at that point.
If something happens to you after the order of protection's in place? Or before? Okay. Do you mean like if he comes here and battered you or beat you up? Or what do you mean by something?
I don't know.
Yeah, he would go to jail for that. If he comes here and hurts you, he'll go to jail. Okay? I believe that he has the potential to be a good person. But I also know that he's not thinking rationally.
He's not. That's the
And that you can't rely on rational people or unrational people to do rational things.
Yeah.
All right, it would be rational to come here, and if you told, like if I was over here and you told me to leave, I would get my things and leave. That's rational. Irrational or not rational would be what he did today.
Yeah.
Okay, and you can't rely on irrational people to make good choices and to do the right thing.
Cleo was charged with aggravated battery on a peace officer.